Welcome. If you wonder how to get TFT mobile on your Huawei P40, right now I'm going to show you, because as you can know, in the app gallery you cannot find the Teamfight Tactics mobile, and when you are tab on the search and type here TFT, there's the only TFT helper application. There's the external application that is not connected to the Riot games. So to get Teamfight Tactics mobile on your new Huawei P40, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with Google services and download on the smartphone the TFT mobile. I have on my Huawei P30 Pro TFT mobile, and it is here. And right now we have to open the application to transfer data, and I'm going to use the phone clone. This is the Huawei application, and on your smartphone with Google Play Store, tap on this is the old phone, and on your P40 tap on the new phone. Choose the type of your phone. In our case this is the Huawei, and we can scan the QR code and also type manually the password. Now we have to wait until both smartphones connect. Okay, and right now we have to click on this marker to unselect all things and scroll down to enter the apps and data. And right here you have to find your Teamfight Tactics mobile application. Select, tap on the OK, confirm with the transfer. Now you input your log method, and right now we have to wait. Okay, so we can right now tap on the send, tap on the finished, and here it is, our TFT mobile on the Huawei P40. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.